Okay guys, so I will talk to you today about the importance of meal prep and why I personally love using a meal prep company. So I have MyLunchBox Meal Prep, build all the food and meals for me bespoke. So I send them through my diet twice a week for meals I want. Now, why is this vital for efficiency and achieving goals? For me, like, I have a bad habit, hands up, that if I bulk cook my own food when I'm cooking, I tend to pick at stuff. So particularly when I'm actually in a lean cutting phase, like I am now for Santa shred mode, I end up eating slightly more calories than I probably should do. Whereas the meals from my lunchbox are literally, if I say 150 grams of steak, there's 150 grams of steak. So guess what? I can't overeat. Therefore, my calories and macros are bang on. So that's one point. Point number two is time. So my time is incredibly valuable at the moment. I get a bit pulled all over the place. So for me, them cooking all my food and just literally delivering it, and I'm going to show you now what I have delivered. What I have to do is open it, put it in the fridge, and then heat meal as I want to eat them. So also in terms of the quality of the food and the cooking, it's banging. It's actually better than like the food I can make. Their chicken teriyaki is the boy. So my lunchbox, I'm going to take you through my order. So this is 3 days worth. I get it delivered twice a week. So we get a delivery on Friday and a delivery on Tuesday. Even the cat wants to get involved. The cat's got an obsession with tuna. I think he thinks there's tuna in there. So literally like a rat drain pipe. So I'm going to take you through all the meals we have. So this would be a rest day meal for me. So that's cod and salmon, 100 grams cod, 100 grams salmon. So that's one meal there. This is a personal favourite. That's 160 grams of prawns, like with white rice. You also see the quality of the food. Really, really good. You also see as well Shred and 8 program. So they do bespoke meal plans for like my Shred and 8 program, which is the world's leading 8-week transformation program. Link in the summary if you want to get involved in that. This is the bad boy. So this is the teriyaki chicken. So again, the cat looks amused. What other bad boys we've got in here? So 106 grams of turkey. Another good thing about using my lunchbox is that in an ideal scenario, you want to try and vary the protein sources you're using for optimal gains, also for digestion, because if you're eating too much of the same food, you can get an intolerance to it. So if you're batch cooking, you're eating chicken 4 times a day, chances are you'll probably get an intolerance to it. So with this, if you look at the different protein sources I've had here, salmon, cod, prawns, chicken, turkey, in those so far. And then we've got another prawns and rice. Another prawns and rice. This is 3 days worth of food. So it's 240 grams of steak. Which again, looks very, very nice. So that'll be a rest day meal for me. Got another steak. So this I would use for breakfast. So I have 150 grams of steak. And because I like it fresh, I also added the steak, 150 grams 2 chick egg whites. And it's like never ending box. You suddenly realise how much food you eat when it comes in one go. 106 grams steak burgers. It's making me hungry doing this. Chicken teriyaki again, 200 grams. Veg wise, again, I ask for what I want, so I don't like too much veg. So if you want more veg, they can give you that. And you've seen the rest of these when we get that anyway. It's another 160 grams steak. Ooh, 150 grams steak. 160 grams chicken. 160 grams chicken. 150 grams lean steak. And then another 150 grams lean steak. So that is 3/4 days worth of food. That'll keep me going. So you can imagine how long it would take me to individually cook all these meals and then weigh them all and piss around. Now all I have to do is put that in the microwave, heat it up, eat it. Now if you think how much time that's saving me and how much my time is worth, this is the best investment I can ever make. If you guys are interested in meal prep or have any questions on that, by all means drop a comment below, drop me a comment directly. If you want to get anything from My Lunchbox, they are currently doing all the diets for Shred and 8 clients and for my own clients. And they also have a discount if you use the code Charlie. We'll give you 10% off on their website. So they're a phenomenal family business. I'd highly recommend them. Quality of the food is superb, as you can already see. And they do fully bespoke meal plans as well as my custom plans of diet. So check them out, guys. Let me know what you think, and we'll go from there.